Hi guys, this is Rajesh Kumar Chavan. Today we are going to see how Canva is useful for you to boost your brand, how you can represent, how you can create presentation, logos, website, business card, letters, Instagram posts, posters, resume. There are many options available into Canva. You can also create small videos for advertisement purpose and for Instagram, for Facebook, for LinkedIn. On many social media you can post it by you can create by using Canva. And Canva will give you the many free template as compared to the other online tools which are available right now in the market. So I am also using Canva since last 1.5 years. So this is the really good tool for you. Even if you are beginner, you will get many templates, many free icons, elements, such kind of stuffs. So I will show you some sample by how to create the posters, presentation, and few YouTube thumbnails and kind of stuffs. Later on, you can uh, go through this website and explore yourself whatever you want to create and you want to publish. So see one by one. From here, you can create design. So if you want to create logo, website, for the website purpose, you can create some slider images, even page images kind of stuff. So it's really good for you for landing page. If you see here, if your business is related to the food, you can use those template images. This you can put your business name here, name and address. So these are a really beautiful image. If you want to replace this image with your company images or restaurant images, whatever business you have, click on the photo, sorry, click on the upload. You can upload here whichever image you want to replace. See, if image is available on your local drive, you can click here and you can upload from your local drive. Right now, for testing purpose, I will upload some images which is available right now with me. And suppose this one open. Okay, if you see this image is uploaded, you can use this image this way. Increase width and height. See, yeah. Now if you want to create the second slider image, just go here again to the template and click this add new page. Yeah, you can mention details about recipes, whichever you have. You can put your logo here, upload. If right now I have my small logo which I use for the testing purpose only, we are preparing for it as a final copy. So you can put your restaurant logo over here and see these two slider images are now ready within a 2 minutes. So this is really best way you can create some slider image for your website. So if you go back, you can create small like some kind of banners, posters, which you will have to publish on Instagram or some on Facebook. See Facebook post. So if you are running business related to food and a restaurant, you can search it for it about the health and other stuffs also available over here. Few templates, you can use those templates free of cost. Some of the templates are those customer who have a premium subscription, they can use those premium posters. So right now for the beginner, there are so many free templates. You can use it, you can edit it, and publish it. That's it. So for example, I will take one poster from here for my FB post. Which one? See, for a testing purpose, I will take this one, which is small animated or video kind of poster. So yeah, this is really attractive, rich and healthy. So how I can change this? Say tasty and healthy, I can say. Now if you want to create one more similar kind of banner, you just click on this duplicate page. See here, available. You can mention here what are the other stuffs, like price. Suppose 500 rupees only. So this way you can create your banner. If you want to change this image, just click on that image and delete it. So it's deleted, and if you see, I'll put some background, and I'll put some simple background here. So this is the yellow background. See, text is here, which is in a white. This is simple yellow background. These are the background images which Canva is providing for you. Suppose you have a real estate kind of business, so you can put such kind of image which suits. So for font color, you can change it from here. Click this text color. First select this text, and then you can click on here. So I'll keep it into a black, and if you see, I'll select this and move this to the bottom. Okay, as done. Best offer. Contact now. So you can mention your contact here. So this way, within few minutes, you can create poster and publish it. So one of the interesting thing on this is, if you want to put your real images over there into some kind of ad or poster or banner, so you can put it into these elements. I'll click on this element, and okay, I'll take for now I'll take circle. I'll delete this. I have my image uploaded over here already, so I'll use it. See, this way you can do it. Really basic and so much easy and basic stuff. You can put your image anywhere on this side or this side. You can change font color if you want. You can change it the purple in this way. So now just you can directly publish it from here if you linked already Canva with the Facebook, or else you can download from here. So this is a small MP4 video, or you can say PNG image with the high quality. So if I click on the download, so it's getting downloaded. If you download it as MP4 video, user will see those kind of animation as well. So I'll click on download MP4 and PNG, both of the copies. Show in the folder, extract all. Okay, see, your poster is ready. So this way you can post it on Facebook, the same posters. This is another custom poster. This is the simple poster. You can play with the various options which are available on Canva, and publish it on FB. This is the text option. You can change font style, color, and the way it is available. Some sample templates are available or if you want to publish some kind of stuff over here, happy hour. If you see here, happy hour 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. So you can keep this way as well. See? There are so many options. You can add some music or some kind of background music kind of stuffs over here, and just download it as a MP4. So, so this is the MP4 copy which we created, and I'm playing it on a VLC media player. Okay, right. I'm just closing it now. So the next one is you can create a good presentation from this Canva tool. You can create logo as well from here. The same way as I edited this image, you can create an logo, website image, business card, letterhead. You can explore it later on once it is handy for you. So go one by one as per your requirement. Instagram story, the similar way you can do it here. You can add your custom photo here and keep your Instagram story. If you have a small business, then it's really helpful for you to explore yourself on FB, Insta, and others, LinkedIn, like other social medias as well. So if you want to create small presentation, I will show you my presentation already. It is here. So there are so many templates available. I choose this one as per my uh, requirement and presentation. See, there are very interesting template available. You can put image, headline, logo, rest of the stuffs, and you can explain it over here. One of the best thing is you can download this as a PDF as well, and you can download it as a MP4 video as well. There are many options available for you to how to export this copy and publish it, use it for your purpose. Yes. So this is the introductory session for Canva purpose. For advanced section, we'll see the part 2. I will prepare it and publish it as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Thank you.